Hello everybody, we are back again with Tf2. I decided to play some talk today. Um, I'm gonna leave him be, but that guy isn't. Okay. Don't know how I died to that engineer considering my entire team was behind me, but let's live with it. Yo, is that pro kill streak? No, it's just specialized. Whatever. Any version of a pan that isn't just stock pan is pretty expensive nowadays. As you can expect. That is a mini, and that is a spy. Sorry if you're not talking there. I'll probably cut that out. I was just really focused on trying to get that spy. God damn it. Okay, well, that sucks. Well, anyways, I think I'll end up cutting out the last few lives because I forgot I was recording and I just kind of stopped talking. And that NG is dead. Okay. I don't want anything to do with you. Okay, now that I have two scouts with me, I'd enjoy having something to do with you. That is a spy. Get away from me. There's a spy around here. Be careful, gentlemen. You just walked over a mini sentry. Complete Chad energy. Okay, let's see if we can cap this. That is a spy, though. If you're wondering how I knew it was a spy, it's because he was standing on point and was not capturing it. And I don't want to be here. Time to leave. Reload. And don't want to be here. Oh, that sucks. So I ended up deciding to switch to stock shotgun so that I can have a little bit of an edge at range. Okay, he's dead. Oh, I'm dead. Dang. Okay, I am alive again. Hopefully we don't die to stupid things. I feel like I heard a spy, but I could be wrong. It could have just been that demo. And let's go grab a health kit because we are very low on HP. Okay. He's dead. Good shot with that sword. That's a spy. Sorry, buddy. Okay, nice. And we top scored. Leave that demo alone. He's just drinking. But we will chase this scout down to the ends of the earth. Thank you, Mr. Scout, for putting down that other scout that didn't deserve life. I love this guy's cosmetics. The Pyrovision goggles just perfectly fit into that hoodie. Trying to sell him as being a spy, if anyone came. Let's sneak up behind this engineer. And hopefully get some heals from this medic. Poor Trollger. He just wants to do some trolling. I don't trust that sniper. That is your job. Finding our medic drop. That is sadness. That is our job as Pyro. You should not trust anybody on our team. You should always be flaming everybody, even your teammates. Especially if they're Huntsman snipers. I got headshot, that's sad. Let me tell you, Huntsman snipers love to be spy checked. Okay? This guy's 1 HP. How did he live through that? And if you don't know why, it's because Pyro's light Huntsman arrows on fire. And it is helpful if they don't hit the headshot. But most of the time they just miss, let's be honest here. They're probably gonna die to this demo. So let's just leave. And we're definitely gonna die to those syringes. Let's just go lower. Okay, not sure if he was trying to be friendly or not, but he scared me. Another spy was behind me. Spy check behind this heavy. Keep him safe. Okay. I'm dead. Oh no! I pressed S. We are now back alive and back at main point. Hopefully we can do some damage, hit some frags. That's a mini. Just check back here for spies and shit. Ooh, that's a scout. I don't want to see you. And that is sticky. Let's just leave. And he's dead. Good. But we're gonna reset anyways. He hurt us a lot. Okay, that isn't me. I think that soldier killed himself. Dang. Okay, we are back. Alive. Hopefully we can... Sorry buddy, you're not gardening me. But I don't want to kill you either, so... Figure that out. I just got super speed from that spy backstabbing that demo. That was cool. Okay, well, I'll probably do another match. In fact, I might just throw this in with the other video I recorded the other day. So, if you see this in the middle or at the other side of a different video, that would be why. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. This time on Cock Lakeside instead of Cock King. Ooh, that was a lag spike. Another spy. Could have been a spy. Probably should have checked. That was a scout. Okay. So anyways, ooh, don't want to be there. I hope you've been enjoying the videos. This will probably be my third video. I'm probably also going to try to stream more often than I have been. I'd like to stream every day and put out a video every day, but I'm not really sure I'm going to be up to the task of that yet. So we'll see. Got that spy. Or the demo did. Damn. Okay.
Alert. The control point is being captured. We have lost the control point.
Okay, we are alive, and let's hopefully not die in a stupid way again. But anyways, I'll probably just talk about what's mostly on my mind, unless I can manage to come up with a better topic. But to be honest, sometimes I just can't think of things to talk about. So I think that this would be good for me to talk about, to broaden my social interaction skills. Also, it can help make me more comfortable with talking while aiming. But ooh, sorry, trying to talk while aiming is hard sometimes, and I have completely lost my train of thought, to be honest. But anyways, we're doing pretty good here. Leave this. Oh, the medic does want to heal me. Let's go try to get some ammo. There's some ammo. Perfect. Ooh, sniper. And we win. That round at least. Got him. Pyro is probably one of my lesser played classes, but I still really enjoy him. I think that air blasting rockets and pipes is really enjoyable. I can definitely understand hating pyros for air blasting my rockets and pipes though, because I definitely hate good pyros that can do that consistently. It's just really annoying. So I'm sure that you can understand why your main source of damage just completely is negated and sent back at you. It's kind of like in Smash Bros. Where people hate reflectors and counters and stuff. just because it just feels cheap. Which, I mean, it kind of is. But, I mean, sorry, lost my train of thought. But I mean, it's just kind of, it's fun to do. Less so counters and smash, but you get the idea. Okay, I am so happy I reflected that. Um, let's go ahead and get back to the front line and hopefully do some reflecting and some shotgunning. That spy is gone forever. Tell young folks. Um, I need to grab this because I am fully out of ammo. Ow, body shot. Okay. Back up a bit. Go resupply, I think. Unless our medic comes to life the second we get there, then we'll let him build on me. If he's alive. Which it doesn't look like he is. At least mentally. Oh my god, this mech definitely saved me there. Reflecting rockets feel so good. And then when you just like get directed by rockets, it feels very sad. Like, oh, I suck. What is this exact thought that goes through my head? Okay, let's get the scout before he gets our medic. Thank you, other scout. Oh, our medic burned. And that is a Natasha heavy. Yeah, I knew there was going to be a mini around that corner. Let's look at some health. That's why it's going to be coming up, and that is my death. Okay, we're back alive. Let us go recapture the point and hopefully win this game. That was mini, I don't want to be here. And I got arrowed, sad face. Looks like we're gonna have to stop them from capping, or just go recap. See what we can do about that. Dang, they have so many scouts now. Probably because we have multiple scouts on our team and we capped. Well, that'll probably be the end of the video. I'll probably put this in with the Kong King video. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.